students, I won't go deeper into that. But pro tip for Ryanair, make sure you check in online. And as a foreigner in Europe, you actually can't check in online because you actually need to register your TRC or your passport. So go to the airport on time. Go to the airport on time. Trust me, take it from me. So we in Albania, we're still gonna have an amazing time. Actually, the weather is, look at me. Look at me. This is actually hot. So we're gonna have a good day and see what we can find out. Sunny day. Let's go. Square, Albania, Tirana. We have mountains, we have architecture. It's like modern, it's like totally amazing. French shutters and everything is alive. Cafes. It's kind of crazy. So let's check it out. Explore it a little bit. But I was here yesterday, so this wasn't happening. Right now, completely different, and it's Monday. I was here on Sunday. I was here yesterday, and this wasn't happening on Saturday. But all of a sudden, it's Sunday, and there's a Christmas market. I guess it's just opening. Explore a little bit, have some coffee, have some breakfast. Let's go.
You know?
Oh, nice.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. I don't like that. Thank you, yes, thank you.
We're going to the pyramid of Tirana. Apparently it's actually a gift from one of the dictator's daughters, and it used to be a symbol of communism and oppression, but right now it's a tech hub full of cafes, vibrant art, and it's just a place where people come and chill. But there's nothing, open stairs, kind of confusing, but let's check it out. Of Tirana is known for its like dramatic transformation from a communist park to a modern lively metropolis where bunkers are changed to art museums, and if you look around you can see the architecture. It's architecture, unique architecture. It's completely changed from when it was in its communist era. Pretty cool. So much art, so much liveliness. And the blue skies, even though it's cloudy, the skies are blue. Woo! With the mountains everywhere. I love it. So I especially like that. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. We are at the bunker. So we are at the top secret nuclear bunker. Well, former in Albania, Tirana. And now it houses art that represents political freedom, political oppression, and everything that happened in the era. But you wanna see it? It's like sincere. Albanian food. What got my attention was the dishes. I can see rice, I can see chicken, I can see noodles, and they have the menu right here. So we're gonna go through the prices, see the food, see the service, see everything. That looks fancy. I feel like I'm about to experience something amazing. Like the walkway is so long. There's all these signs to read. And we're still walking. And all it says is traditional. Restaurant traditional. I don't know if we're up for an adventure. There's so much space as well. So green. And of course, beautiful Albanian architecture. Beautiful Albanian architecture. I love it. It looks so cool. I said it before, Albania's lit. On the way to a little restaurant. Woo! It looks fancy. Ooh, it looks fancy. Let me know where you're shooting from, which country you're at, so I can try it out. For now, we're in Albania, Tirana. Let's go.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Rocky. It's traditional.
It's like a great song here from here.
Yeah.
That's good. Strong. Okay.
Rocky. Rate it out of 10. Out of 10.
It's a strong.
Vodka is strong. Tequila is strong.
It's a strong. Maybe my stomach is really good. I don't like it.
But it's not smooth. You prefer vodka? Ooh, that looks good. You can put it down.
Oops.
Thank you, thank you.
It's a lot of.
Ooh, you said it's
It's good. Thank
wow.
you. It's so
Thank you
good.
so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Food kill me. So we have terracotta meat. We have summer vegetarian terracotta made out of cheese. We have Albanian pie. We have cornbread. This actually tastes really nice. We have baked cheese as well. And we also have chicken kebab. Yeah. And a whole plate of meat. This is your meat mix. So we're gonna dive in. Was good for Europe. Still a bit of salt and pepper, some garlic in the eggs, some chili spice. Overall, I guess we're trying the best Albanian food. So 50 pounds, 50 euro, 230 or $60. It was good. The portions are good. We still have a lot to take away. All in all, I guess it's okay. But I'm not amazed. But you can try it. You can try it. I actually wanted a Jesus piece, remember?
Yeah.
I want a Jesus piece. What's here? I can't see anything, but I can see it here. Our day trip to Tirana. It was about 10 euro person, and we have about a 15-minute hike. It's okay. It's fun. Roading back, there's so much to see. Animals. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. fine though. I can't even say it's hard. Just say it's different. Let's see what happens at the top. So a little guardrail to protect us from dying floating. The stairs are pretty solid. These are cool stickers. Random stuff. And that's the road we came on. That's how bus. Right over there. We came up there one day. Now we're heading over there for the final view. Dope! So we're here at the top, and is it worth it? You tell me. If you look down though, it's got this scary vibe. It's just a small little cage. The climb was maybe 15 minutes. It wasn't so difficult. It was actually easier than the first climb. And everything is absolutely stunning. The views are stunning. I'll show you clips of them. I'm learning in life. Everything that happens in life. It's crazy. Everything that happens in your life is there to teach you about yourself. Every single thing is simply just a reflection of what you need to do for yourself, what you need to change, where you need to go. Take no offense, observe and continue. That's it.